Hey guys, in this video we are going to be replacing some glow plugs on this Audi A4 estate. This is an 05 reg for those of you who want to know what year this car is. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Right, so we got to take off the PVC pipe which is shown on the bottom, and we got to take off the vacuum line which is shown on the top. To take the PCV pipe off, you got to press it in and it should pop off. Just be wary that it is plastic and it might break. And for the vacuum line, it's pretty much simple, you just pop it off. So you also need to remove the intake pipe that connects to the airbox. It's only held on by two Phillips screws, and once you remove them, it should just pop up. You also got to remove this time belt cover where there's only 3 clips. You just pop them apart and it comes up. Right, so now we are going to be taking off the rocker cover, which is held in by 11 T30 screws. Once these are removed, then taking it off is pretty much simple. You just gotta take it off without getting it caught onto the vacuum line, which is shown here. So once the rocker cover is off, there are some plugs that need to be removed, which are connected to the glow plugs. Now, to take these off, you can either get your finger in there, your pinky finger, and see if that would pop them off. If not, you can get some pliers, long nose pliers, and that should remove them. Right, so once the plugs are disconnected, it's time to remove the glow plugs. To remove the glow plugs, you need an 8mm socket, and I'd suggest using a deep socket. And once you've removed these glow plugs, I would suggest using some long nose pliers to take them out, because they're a bit more worse than unplugging the plugs from the glow plugs. Yeah, that made a lot of sense. But yeah, so once these are removed, it's pretty much the reverse order of fitting the glow plugs in, putting the rocker cover back on. But yeah, when you're fitting in the new glow plugs, just a quick tip, do not tighten them too much, as the next person who takes them off will have a nice time taking them off. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button, as we can make some much better videos than what you see right now, and so that we can give some subscribers some gifts and rewards for supporting us.